Hey, it's Kyla. And today we were too lazy to set up the camera, so we're doing a handheld. Also, sorry for the random downgrade on the quality here. I broke my camera again. I also want to say that my makeup today is inspired by this picture of Demi Lovato. Of course, I can never compare with my queen. And this is super cheap eyeshadow I'm using, that $13 palette from Amazon, but your girl tried, okay? So today I'm going to be doing my IPSY bag opening, unboxing thing for November. So I've actually had this bag sitting here since Saturday, and it's now Monday. So it's been a couple days that it's been sitting here. But it's not opened, I promise. See, you got the seal, right? It's sealed, I promise. I have no idea what's in it. I don't even know what the bag looks like this month. So stay tuned and let's go. Okay, so we got a funky angle going on over here. So let's open this bad boy up. What does the bag look like? It's a nice, cute little blue. And, ooh, it's got a thingy. I can't speak English, right? For the zipper. And let's see, the first item we're gonna pull out is... Oh, no! I'm saying oh no because I'm pretty sure I already have this. Okay, so not quite. This is a Tarte blush, and it's the same blush but in a different shade. So I have this in the shade Party, and this is in the shade Quirky. So I'm actually wearing Party right now. So I got the other Tarte blush as my free gift from Sephora on my birthday. But that's nice, some more blush, always good. What are we pulling out next? Naked Cosmetics. What is this? Oh, wow, that is crumbly. Like half of it just fell out. I think this is an eye thing. Ooh, that's actually pretty. Can you see that? It's sparkly. It's very loose. I don't know if that's just from like being bumped around and if I should repress it or if it's supposed to be like that. It doesn't say a shade or even what it is. I mean, I'm like pretty sure it's for your eyes, but it doesn't say anything on it. So, I do like it though, pretty, but messy. Next, we are pulling out, ooh, Marc Anthony True Professional Hydrating Coconut Oil and Shea Butter. This is conditioner? Like dry conditioner? Sealed. That's good. It says to put it in your hair. Ooh, that smells like heaven. Oh, it's oil. So it goes in my hair, I guess? Word! What are we pulling out next? Ooh. Mana. Ooh, liquid lipstick. I suck at opening things. Okay, so we got it open. Nice little Mana gloss stain. Ooh. Ooh, that's actually a nice, pretty deep reddish pink. I like like that quite a bit. And so we have one more, but let's look at the card first. All you. And one more item. What do we got here? Your skin, but better. Color correcting full coverage cream. Sounds good. So is this like foundation, concealer? It says sunscreen, but is it like a sunscreen foundation? That's what I want to say it is, a sunscreen foundation. Okay. Ooh, smells good. So that is my IPSY bag for the month of November 2017. I want to say my favorite thing in the bag this month would probably be that eye stuff that got everywhere but is still really pretty. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.